Elevate your living space with sophisticated IKEA cabinet hacks that merge luxury aesthetics with practical utility. These clever transformations optimize every square inch, providing high-end organization and seamless visual appeal. Discover how strategic modifications turn affordable modular pieces into bespoke architectural statements, ensuring your home remains both functional and stunning. Number 1. Build a hidden workspace. Living rooms often double as workspaces, yet clunky desks disrupt aesthetic harmony. By retrofitting an IKEA Ivar cabinet with a fold-down desktop and internal cable management, you create a discreet workstation that vanishes behind closed doors. This hack maximizes vertical real estate while maintaining a clutter-free environment. Visually, the raw pine can be stained in deep walnut to match high-end furniture, offering a bespoke architectural look. It works because it preserves the room's primary purpose, relaxation, while providing essential functionality. This clever integration transforms a simple storage unit into a multifunctional powerhouse for the modern, space-conscious urban professional for daily tasks. Number 2. Install a floating media console. Achieving a modern minimalist vibe requires clearing floor space to create a sense of weightless elegance. By wall-mounting IKEA Besta units and adding a custom thick oak top, you create a sophisticated floating media console. This approach eliminates the visual weight of traditional furniture legs, making the living room feel significantly larger. Integrated LED strips beneath the unit provide soft ambient lighting, further enhancing the airy atmosphere. It is the perfect solution for compact layouts needing streamlined organization. The result is a high-end, custom-built appearance that hides cables and components efficiently while serving as a stunning, highly functional focal point. Number 3. Design a fluted texture sideboard. Texture is the secret to premium interior design, and fluted paneling is currently at the design forefront. By applying half-round dowels to the doors of an IKEA section cabinet, you create a rhythmic, tactile surface that screams luxury. This DIY modification elevates basic cabinetry into a sophisticated credenza that mimics high-end boutique brands. Finished in a matte charcoal or soft greige, the fluted detail catches the light beautifully, adding depth to your living room. This hack improves visual appeal through structural interest, while also offering deep, practical storage for linens or media equipment, merging form and function absolutely flawlessly. Number 4. Create a built-in library. Standard bookcases often look like an afterthought, but the Billy series can be transformed into a majestic floor-to-ceiling library. By adding baseboards, crown molding, and vertical trim between units, you eliminate gaps and create a seamless built-in look. This hack utilizes vertical height to maximize storage while adding significant architectural value to the living room. The addition of integrated library lights at the top provides a soft, upscale glow that highlights your collection. It works by grounding the space and providing a grand, sophisticated backdrop that feels entirely custom-made for the room's specific proportions, dimensions, and unique aesthetic needs. Number 5. Construct a storage window bench. Underutilized window space is the perfect location for a custom storage bench using IKEA Nordly drawer units. By topping several units with a tailored upholstered cushion and a sleek wooden frame, you create a cozy reading nook that provides substantial hidden storage. This hack optimizes floor space and offers an additional seating area for guests without crowding the room. The clean lines of the Nordly system align perfectly with a Scandinavian aesthetic, while the drawers offer easy access to blankets or board games. It enhances the living room's flow, providing a functional transition between indoor and outdoor views very efficiently. Number 6. Organize a corner beverage station. Awkward corners often become dead space, but modular IKEA Ivar units can turn them into a sophisticated beverage station. By stacking units in an asymmetrical geometric pattern and adding glass front doors, you create a curated display for glassware and spirits. Mirror backings and interior puck lights add a layer of luxury, reflecting light to brighten the corner. This hack optimizes compact footprints, providing a dedicated entertainment zone without the need for a massive bar cart. The sleek, handleless design ensures a modern look that integrates smoothly with existing decor, proving that even small corners can be high-impact functional design elements. Number 7. Upgrade with woven cane panels. Infusing organic textures into a modern living room creates a welcoming, soft luxury feel. By replacing the center panels of IKEA Besta doors with natural cane webbing, you achieve a breathable, airy aesthetic that conceals media equipment while allowing remote signals to pass through. This hack softens the hard edges of standard cabinetry, introducing a handcrafted, artisanal quality to the space. Paired with matte black hardware and a stone effect top, the contrast between natural fiber and modern finishes is strikingly elegant. It works by balancing contemporary structure with organic warmth, resulting in a unique, stylish media solution for your home. These sophisticated transformations prove that style and utility can coexist perfectly in your living space. Start your design journey today. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay inspired. Thank you for watching.